tswa ka mohodimong ke a leboha ka matla a hao hodima bophelo ba rona. Ntate ra utlwisisa hore se ka bohlale ba rona ke ka mohau le mosa wa hao Jehova Kriste re na le monyetla wa hore ebile ke eme stageng mona ke tlo bua le bana ba hao. Ha se ba bangata ntate ba fumana monyetla o fumane mme ke a o leboha ntate ba tla utlwa hore matla a hao a teng ka hara sebaka sena. Re lokolle ntate o sa le dikelello tsa rona hore re dule re atumela ho wena le ha ba ka re rwaka kapa le ha ba ka re nyatsa Jehova re hopole hore se se re emetseng ke lehodimo mme se ke be ka tsinyeya ho o modimo ipona ha tsa feta maphelo a rona hobane Satane ha rate be ke mona Satane ha rate be batho ba ho se ba le tula hao ka matla ntate. Re lokolle Jehova, let us not be bound by satanic forces. We are releasing ourselves right now, God. We are worshiping you, God. Thank you so much, God. I ask that you bless this church in Jesus' name.
Hello you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Selo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So LGBTQI and reality TV star Matijalane, who trended the whole of last year after he announced that he was leaving the life of LGBTQI and choosing God over it all. Matijane went to his TikTok to announce that, despite everything that he has been through, all the processes that he was currently at the time going under of transitioning, he has decided to stop with his transition process and, follow God, you guys, because he was actually tired from this very cruel world, you guys. And he says that he is born again, is choosing God at the time, and we saw him doing that, you guys. Now Matijane now is a preacher, as you saw in that video which I inserted of him at a church preaching, you guys. Yes, Matijane now is a preacher, a Christian preacher to be specific. Though people in the comment section were applauding him for choosing God and everything, and for actually, choosing, I guess, maybe his calling of preaching the word, the gospel of God, others were quick to get into the comment section to state that maybe it is too soon for him to preach. They were saying that it is too soon for him to preach because spiritually he is still not matured enough, you guys. So last year took to his TikTok account to announce that he has found God and is living it all in a post which reads as follows. Now, Iwino took to his TikTok account and posted a lengthy video to explain that although he was actually born gay and still attracted to men, he chose God over his sexuality. Now, in the video, he said, "I've been living as a queer person, but still praying to God and surrounding to God. But this one particular thing that I felt like I was just in denial, and that was my sexuality, which is going to come across as surprising to a lot of people because humans regarded me as a trans woman, and I was very proud. Even last week, I was still proud, and this does not change anything. It does not change the fact that I have an attraction towards guys. But understanding God and His truth is understanding God does not look at that per se when we try to defend ourselves by saying we're born out of sin," he said. Yes, I was born out of sin, but I need to fulfill a task, and a task needs to be aligned with God. And that is to be reborn. I am getting to that phase where even though I was born, perhaps as a gay person, I need to understand that even though I was born with these things, acting upon it is where it becomes a problem, Uino said on that TikTok video, you guys. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section. And of course, do make sure that you subscribe if you haven't yet done so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. And may the God Lord just continue blessing you all. Bye.